Grand Rising Kings and Queens, peace, love and light. Today we're going to talk to you about the benefits of chlorophyll. Now, you know it's the holiday season. A lot of people are going to be eating a lot of processed foods, a lot of sugary foods, a lot of oily foods, a lot of foods that we should not be eating. And you know what will happen come January. We're going to be wanting to detox and exercise and all those wonderful things. Now, before we get into all the food that we're going to be eating this holiday season, I want to tell you about the benefits of chlorophyll. Now, if you have issues with blood sugar or blood pressure, or if your blood is so acidic or contaminated that it shows up in your skin in the form of rashes and bumps and pimples, guys, it's time for a detox. Now, doctors will often tell you to detox every 6 months or once a year. Now, I'm going to ask you this question. If you're eating unhealthy food on a regular basis, don't you think you should be detoxing on a regular basis as well? No, guys, if you're having issues with acne and you want to get clearer quality skin, drink your chlorophyll. If you're not able to get in contact with us and get your chlorophyll, you have the option of eating healthier fruits that can actually cleanse your blood and detox your blood, because you guys remember, whatever happens in the blood shows up in other parts of the body. Now, if you're having struggles with acne or any other issues with your blood, whether it's blood sugar or blood pressure regulation, it's time for a detox, guys. Now, chlorophyll is very powerful because it's made without preservatives, it's all natural, and it's made from powerful medicinal herbs available here in Jamaica. If you'd like to know more, definitely DM me for more information. We are waiting for your call and your message. Peace, love, and light. Have a wonderful day.